if somebody's gonna give me the opportunity to really make some music and really put it out there, I'm taking that and I'm gonna put it at 110%. You know, I think music will take me as far as I can imagine.
I just started listening to music since I was very young. And then I like listening to the beats and how like repeats. You could see that they add on and they take off some things. And I was like, well, that's pretty cool. So I wanted to try and do it. And then that's how I got into music. I just wanted to do it.